you guys gonna join us?
No, we're just
I'm gonna try to do the beginning.
I got it.
On our marks. 1, 2, 3.
Well, it's lost in translation.
Come on,
I'm gonna
Andy.
tell you about a beat that's gonna make you move your feet. I give the barbecue show and tell you how to move. If you're 5 or 82, this is something you can do.
Oh, she was
Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country fried and hip hop it. Put your hop it, grab over side to side, jump to the left, stick it, glide. Zigzag, cross the floor, shuffle in diagonal. When the drum hits, hands on your hips. 1 foot in, 180 twist and lift. Zigzag, step, slide, lean it left, clap 3 times, shake it out, head to toe, throw it all together, that's how we roll. If you're 5 or 82, this is something you can do. Pop it, lock it, polka dot it, country fried it, hip hop it, park in the sky, move side to side, jump to the left, stick it, glide. Zigzag, touch across the floor, shuffle in diagonal. When the drum hits, hands on your hips. 1 foot in, 180 twist and then zigzag, touch, step, slide, lean it left and clap 3 times, shake it out, head to toe, throw it all together. That's how we roll.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it.
that's how we roll.